Example 2. For the half cell at pH 2, the electrode potential is. So they have given here quinhydrone electrode. So equations are not properly given. Let us correct this one. So this is giving rise to, and this will be here, plus sign must be there here, and 2H plus 2 electrons, and this is given as E. This is E oxidation only, oxidation potential. So oxidation potential is given to us. Actually they are asking us oxidation potential only. So oxidation potential. So what is the oxidation potential at pH 2 for the following electrode? So given is a quinhydrone electrode. So here quinhydrone electrode means it contains equimolar mixture of quinone and hydroquinone. So normally we represent this as QH2, this one, and this as QH2 and Q. Right, let us solve the problem. Now here we need to write first of all cell reaction, that is a half cell reaction, and then we have to apply Nernst equation for that. And one point is to be remembered, quinhydrone electrode contains equimolar mixture of quinone and hydroquinone, thereby the concentrations will not appear in the expression there now. It is a saturated solution of those two components. Let us write the reaction first. Okay, so 2H plus 2 electrons plus, say, quinone here, giving rise to now for this potential E is equal to minus 1.3. We have written here reduction potential, so we have changed the sign. The question they gave us oxidation potential, we wrote reduction potential here now. And here these concentrations of these two remain same. So we need not write them in the final expression there now. And coming towards E0 value is already given in the question itself. Now we require concentration of H plus ions because Nernst equation is E is equal to E0 of the cell of reaction here minus 0.0591 by 2 into log of it will be QH2 by Q. Those two are anyhow same only, they get cancelled here now. So finally 1 by you are going to get here H plus square will come then now. Square comes here now. So you require here actually hydrogen ion concentration then now. Let us write one more step here. So E is equal to E0 here, not cell, E0 0.0591 by 2. Let us change the sign here. We can write here log of hydrogen ion square, we can write then now. This is square and 2 you can cancel it off. So E0 plus 0.0591 by 2 into, it is 2 log H plus then now, which is equal to 2 gets cancelled here. So E0 plus 0.0591 into log of H plus will come. So here they gave us pH as 2. pH is given as 2. pH is given as 2 means nothing but hydrogen ion concentration will be 10 to the power of minus 2. That value we can substitute here then now. Now already E0 is given there as minus 1.3 plus 0.0591 into log of 10 to the power of minus 2. Log 10 power minus 2, again it comes out as minus 2 log 10. That is minus 1.3 plus 0.0591 into minus 2 log 10. log 10 is 1 only. Remaining things we can simplify there now. So on simplification, the value comes to, that is E value is coming out as minus 1.42. Minus 1.42 you are getting now. So here they are asking us oxidation potential value. So therefore what we got is reduction potential value. This is a reduction potential value which we got there now. Since they are asking us oxidation potential value, change the sign, plus will come. So plus 1.42 is the answer.